everyone. So if you really want to impress a special mama out there, show your love by learning to sign Happy Mother's Day. Now to sign happy, all you gotta do is bring one flat palm or two and face them towards your chest. Then you're gonna literally brush your hands over your heart a few times, and this represents happy. Now to sign mom, hold one hand up slightly with your fingers slightly apart with a palm that's flat. Then you're going to touch the thumb of that hand to your chin, and this represents mom. Now lastly, you're going to hold one straight arm out about belly height with your palm facing the ground. Then rest the elbow of your second hand with your pointer finger pointing towards the sky and the remainder of your fingers tucked into your palm. Then you're going to literally draw an arc downwards so that your forearms end up stacked on top of one another. So just to recap, happy mothers